Audi has unveiled the A6 e-tron electric sedan concept at the 2021 Shanghai Auto Show in China. The new electric sedan concept is based on the Volkswagen Premium Platform Electric or PPE architecture that also underpins the Porsche Taycan under the Volkswagen umbrella. The new Audi A6 e-tron only shares its dimensions with the standard A6, while sporting impressive specifications with a range of up to 700 km on a single charge. The car is powered by a 100 kWh battery pack and a 350 kW electric motor that produces up to 800 Nm of peak torque. The Audi A6 e-tron will also be quick with 0 to 100 km/h achievable in less than 4 seconds. Audi claims the battery can charge up to 80% in just 25 minutes using a 270 kW fast charger. The concept version rides on 22-inch wheels and features an all-new futuristic Audi grille. The Audi A6 e-tron will compete against the Mercedes-Benz EQS and the Tesla Model S when it goes on sale. Mercedes EQ has officially revealed the all-electric EQB SUV at the 2021 Shanghai Auto Show. It is the third all-electric car from Mercedes after the EQA and the EQS in 2021. Based on the JLB, it will be produced at the German car maker's Kecskemét facility in Hungary for Europe. There will also be a China-specific version produced locally. The new Mercedes-Benz EQB carries the typical Mercedes EQ black panel grille, along with full LED headlamps, DRLs, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a nicely sculpted tailgate. Powertrain details are under wraps for now, but the car maker has hinted at about 268 brake horsepower from the electric motor and a range of 419 km on a single charge. The new EQB will go on sale in China and Europe later this year, while the model will be launched in the US in 2022. There are no plans to bring the EQB to India anytime soon. Nissan Motor India has announced that the company has received over 50,000 bookings for the Magnite SUV. The new subcompact SUV was launched in December 2020 and the company has delivered over 10,000 units of the Magnite so far. The company says that almost 60% of the bookings received are for the top spec variants XV and XV Premium, and up to 15% bookings have been made for the CVT models. A little over 10% of the Magnite bookings till date have been made online. The company says that it has received over 278,000 enquiries for the Magnite since the SUV was launched. The company also added a third shift at its production plant in Tamil Nadu to increase production capacity.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.